We are looking forward to see if the president is going to give us our bus. It's a classic bus, very classic. And the USG has been doing a very good work in terms of coordinating, checking the status of the bus. We're looking forward to see if our funds all over will accompany it to Kisii, and then the president will hand over to us. You know, he's the one who has bought that bus for us. But you remember very well that this club was dead for 17 good years. But since I came to the office, I'm happy. We are here today. We are proud of the club. We're proud of the club because the status it is at the moment. Looking forward that we'll be number one. We'll be number one, that's for sure. And I can tell you, I'm determined because I managed to get the first sponsor. That was the bank bet. But I know where they disappeared when I realized there was a problem and the club was to go down. That's how I approached SportPesa through Mheshimiwa Karauri. Karauri accepted. Today I'm happy the club is up and running. I'm doing everything to see if we can get more resources for the club. To support you guys. How I wish you would have won as we agreed. You know, we said, you know, our promise is our promise, isn't it? Yes. I did say that if you won the match yesterday, you would have received the 1 million. But nilisema one goal, 100,000. And actually he's my deputy, even he was a fan of football. He's here, he's coming. And our fans have been very good, very good. Hopefully that will continue having the same spirit as we're moving forward. Kwa hivyo, the only promise is that yes, now I'll give you what I promised you. And unajua unajikuna mahali unafika kama you guys mlijikuna na gori moja. That is it. But I can tell you, I'll add you another 200,000. Let us not waste the energy now. The small resources you have, you would love to put it into an investment. Hata kama ni ndogo, you'll be proud kwamba ulichezea Shabana. As long as I am your patron, I'll make sure he club it's well oiled in terms of resources. Discipline number one. Discipline number 1. Discipline number 2, discipline number 3. Hiyo ndio tutawafanya. Kwa hivyo Shabana tolevove, they must know tolevove always. Ama namna gani? And I can promise you the day for the bus, that field will be full. I want to see to welcome all other fans outside there wakujua. We celebrate our team. And the regions also, they are there. Wale ambao wamekuwa legendary in the all activities that we have been running in the county since kina Motego. Henry Motego. Motego si yuko? Yes. He's there. Kwa hivyo mmeanza na mimi kunifuruta kwa mpira. No, it's good. It's good. I'm determined to make sure making the team great again. Great. Kwa hivyo msife moyo, nobody should be bought from here. Actually, we can only buy those other ones to alete hapa because if it's the resources, we have the resources. We can. And we're going to do it. Also, we want the young ones, those young ones that we can be able to identify among ourselves who are in primary. I see if I can sponsor them to go abroad waende kusoma because they have I've gotten some sponsors who want to train them wale watoto wadogo. I'm starting the Governor's Cup probably next month. We're starting from the sub-location level. Teams from sub-location, then location, ward, constituency, then county. My team will play with you people. The governor and that na nitaweka 1,000,000 ama 2,000,000 because at that time for the winners. I don't know if my people will beat you. Ati what? Kienda juu ni wanunulie boots ndio pia tuhakikishe kwamba jamii yote is enjoying this game. Hii mpira is an employment and a big employment. Si ndio?
Yes.
Real. Kwa hivyo kando na mimi natafuta ile kazi ya kuandika watu, hii lazima pia mjiandike muandika.
I've been the team for the last 6 years and I can sincerely say that you have been with the team under ile leadership yenye imekuwa around, you are the first one, at least nimeona your presence in the team, so that one I want to appreciate you for that.
And we will encourage our people also to come out. I'm told people they were scared. Next time when there is goal, hiyo uwanja ya were you in Nyayo?
Yes.
Half of the field I'll make sure is our fans. I'll make sure that I will do everything to make sure kama sio hapo hata tuwashinde. So that hiyo kelele tupigie wao tuwashinde. It's about hiyo uwanja ya stadium wakitengeneza, and we want to thank the president because I asked him, he accepted. Actually, it's going for, they wanted to do a 10,000 capacity, and it's a 14. Therefore, I pleaded with him. I told him, let us do the 14, and he accepted. It's going for now close to $1 billion from 500 million. And we had a meeting with the PS and the CS the other day when I came back into the country.